start writing commands to our computer, we need to use some editor software. You probably already have some softwares for writing text, and you can use it to write code. You can even use a software like WordPad to write commands to the computer, and it's going to be really hard for you. So there are another programs that you can download for free, and they are much more easy to use. I will use brackets, so I will write it in Internet Explorer or in other browser, and I will be able to open its official site. There is a big blue button, download brackets, and I can press it. I can save or run it, and after some time I will have in my downloads folder the installer of brackets, which is called like this. You can, if you had pressed run, you wouldn't need to find it on your computer, and it was going to start directly. When you start the installer, you need to press a lot of times next, and you will soon have brackets. We will need one more thing to install before we start writing code. We will also need a browser that is good for playing HTML5 games. You can even use Internet Explorer or any new modern browser, but the browser that I recommend and I will use is Google Chrome, so I will also search for it, and there is another big blue button, install or download now. You can press it, and again a file download will start, and you will be able to install and use Google Chrome. I already have it, so I canceled the installation, but you will have to wait 2 or 3 minutes. You can see that I already installed brackets, and now I have a shortcut for it here. I can also make a link on the desktop, and I will also make a link for Google Chrome that I already had, or I'm just going to start it from here. Now download the files and install the software yourself.